He's a good lad, a little bit shy, so you'll try and have to understand. Such a good lad, just for a while a guy'll need a helping hand. His words are hard to follow, but his heart has found a way to show you the things that he never could say. He's a good lad, a little bit wild, but his style is really gentle and kind. He ain't so bad, right to the end. He's a friend, about the best you could find. As you come to know him and his needs are coming through, you'll flash on the day I was talking to you. And he needs somebody to love. Yes, he needs somebody to be worthy of. He's a good man. He's a good lad. If you come to want him like I know he wants you to, you'll see all the things I was saying are true. Telling you true, 'cause he needs somebody to love. Yes, he needs somebody to be worthy of. He's a good lad. Maybe he's wild, but his style is really gentle and kind. He's a good lad. If you need a friend, he's the end, about the best you can find. He ain't so bad, a little bit shy, so you try and have to understand him. He's a good lad, just for a while, the guy made a helping hand. He's a good lad, maybe he's wild, his style is really gentle and kind.
I remember to this day the bright red Georgia clay, how it stuck to the tires after the summer rain. We'll